Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS SCHOOL. I am Saman. Today also we are going to discuss the paper 2H of Mathematics A of Edexcel IGCSE May June 2022. Right. Now up to the now we have discussed around 16 questions of this paper. Now we are going to discuss today from the question 17. Right. Now question 17 is a variation of the proportion question. Question 17 says M varies directly as cube of h. M equals 4 when h equals 0.5. Find the value of h when value of h when right when m equals 500. You have to find the value of h when m equals 500. Okay, right. Now we write Q17. 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 Okay. Then they say m varies directly as cube of h. What do you mean by that? M varies as cube of h means m is directly proportional to h cube. Like this. M is directly proportional to h cube. Right. Now it's something like this. M is directly proportional to h cube like this. Then you write m here. Then you write h cube here. Okay. Right. Now they say m equals 4. When m is 4, then h is said to be what? 0.5. Okay. Sorry. Then 0.5 cube. M is 4. Then h is 0.5. Then when h is 4, h cube is 0.5 cube. Okay. Then we want to find the value of h when m is 500. Then m is here 500. Then you want to find what? This one, h cube. And find h. Right? Then you can do this as the direct proportion. You can take it like this. Then what you do is you multiply 4 into h cube equals 500 into 0.5 cube. You take that. Then h cube equals 500 into 0.5 cube over 4. Then it will be how much? H cube equals, then we will try the calculator. Right. Now what is that? 500 into 0.5 cube. Divided by 4. let's say this 15.625. Then you will take a cube root of this. How much? This one, h equals cube root 15.625 equals 2.5. Okay, you multiply 2.5 by to the power 3. 15.625, correct. Okay, this is the answer, h value. Okay, that right. If you want, there's another method here. You can take this what m directly proportional to h cube. Then you convert this into equation by introducing a constant like this, multiplying by constant. Then you use those values given and find the value of k. That is, this is another method of doing that. Then m4. Then k is how much it is to be found. It is what we don't know. Then h is how much 0.5 like this. Then for this one cube 0.5 cube means 0.125. Okay. Then you to find k, you take this to this here, it is multiplication. Then k equals multiplication by 0.125 becomes division by 0.125. Okay, like that. Then you divide 4 by 125. 32. Then k equals 32. Okay. Then use this equation m equals k h to the power 3. Then m equals k is how much you write 3 to then h. Then we write the formula for m in terms of h. Then, but they haven't asked here in this question this formula. Therefore, no need of doing this process. Then this is not called the answer. For finding the answer again, you have to substitute this given value. So this substitute this m. Then m equals how much? 500. You substitute for this m. That is 500 equals then 32 h. Then h equals 500. Sorry, h cube no. H cube equals 500 over 32. This is multiplication by 32 is taken to this side dash, division by 32, then it's 500 over 32 equals h cube. Then h equals cube root 500 over 32. Okay. Now that 2.5 again. H equals how much? 2.5. Okay. This is the answer. 2.5. Okay, same answer both the ways. Here after finding the formula, here without finding the formula straight away, right? Okay, Bayesian ratios. Okay, okay. See you, have a nice time then. Then we got question 18. Question 18. I'll do the question 18 here. Then there's a question 18 here. Okay. Question 18 here they say x equals 2a minus b. X equals 2a minus b over f. Right now. They say a equals 7.5 to 1 decimal place. B equals 3.42 to 2 decimal place. Then f equals 2 to nearest whole number. Then work out the upper bound of x. So they have find the upper bound of value of x. Then you have to find the upper bound of the value of x. Upper bound. Then here upper x is actually what is this? X is quotient, division. X is the quotient is the answer after dividing. After dividing 2a minus b by f, you get an answer. That answer is called quotient. Quotient, right? Then quotient is called quotient. Then quotient is the value of answer after dividing. 2a minus b divided by f will give an answer. That answer is x. Then that answer of division is called quotient, right? Then we have done a set of videos on quotient, upper bounds and lower bounds and rounding of numbers in a series of videos that has been now posted in a particular playlist. That playlist is called upper bound and lower bound, otherwise rounding of numbers and upper bound and lower bound. That playlist is there. Go to playlist and just click the playlist, then you get that rounding of numbers and upper bound and lower bound. Go to that and watch that series of videos. You have A to Z everything of upper bound and lower bound and rounding of, right? Okay. Then here, then upper bound of quotient. Upper bound of a quotient is upper bound of this. This is called the numerator. This is called dividend. Dividend. This is called divisor. Divisor. Then upper bound of a quotient. This is called quotient. Answer. QUO. This is the quotient. Then upper bound of quotient equals upper bound of the dividend divided by lower bound of the divisor. Then we have to get the upper bound of 1 2a minus b and divided by lower bound of what? Divisor f, this one. Then we have to get that. Lower bound of f. Then upper bound of now again the divisor, if you get the dividend, upper bound of 2a minus b, that is upper bound of difference. How do you find the upper bound of difference? Then upper bound of difference equals what? Upper bound of this, then this is the difference of 2a minus b is the difference. Then difference here, upper bound of this first value. Then upper bound of 2a minus upper bound of difference is upper bound of 2a minus upper bound of b. Sorry, upper bound of first value minus lower bound of second value b. That is how you find the upper bound of difference. Upper bound of this first value, that is 2a minus lower bound of b. Then upper bound of x we can write like this. Upper bound of x equals what? Upper bound of 2a minus lower bound of b over then lower bound of what? Lower bound of what? F. Right. Now you have to substitute this into this and get. Right. We will find. Then right. Upper bound of, then say here, value of A is given 7.5. A is 7.5 they say. A is 7.5 correct to 1 decimal place. And then what do we need? Upper bound of 2A. No, we need the upper bound of A then. How do you find the upper bound of A? Upper bound equals what? Degree of, upper bound is what? Corrected value plus degree of accuracy over 2. Right. Then corrected value is 7.5. Then correct to 1 decimal place means then the degree of accuracy is 1 decimal place. The degree of accuracy means is 0.05 over 0.01 over 2. 0.1 over 2. The first decimal place, no? First decimal one you have to take. Then it will be how much? Here 0.7.55. Then here then upper bound of A is then 2 here. A is how much? 7.55. Then minus. Then lower bound of B. It is very easy. Then value of B equals how much they have given? 3.42. B equals 3.42. Then lower bound, a formula equals how much? Corrected value minus degree of accuracy over 2. Then lower bound of B, how do you find corrected value? They have given 3.42. Then plus minus. Then they say the value of B is 3.42. Correct to 2 decimal places. Then 2 decimal places means here the degree of accuracy to be used to find in the formula to find the lower bound 0.01 divided by 2. Then it will be how much? It will be how much? Then you get this one 3.415. Right, like that. It comes so. Right. Then lower bound of B is how much? 3.415. Then 3.415. Right. Then that is divided by lower bound of F. Again, the value of F is how much? Then F is 2. F equals 2. They say to nearest whole number. Then again we need the lower bound of F. The lower bound of F. Then this is the ultimate format we need. The lower bound of F. Then lower bound of F is then lower bound formula. Lower bound equals corrected value minus degree of accuracy over 2. Then lower bound corrected value is how much? Corrected value of F is 2. Then minus degree of accuracy, that is nearest whole number means nearest unit. Nearest unit means if the directed degree of accuracy is nearest unit, then degree of accuracy to be used in the upper bound lower bound calculation formula is 1 over 2. Okay. Then this equals how much? 1.5. Like that. 1.5. So that is the lower bound of F. Lower bound of F is 1.5. Then write here 1.5. Right, now you can use the calculator and do the calculation. 2 times 5 is 50. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 is left. 2 times 5 is 10. 11. 1 is left. 2 times 5 is 2 times 4 is 14 plus 1 15. 15.1. Then here 4.415. You have to deduct these two. Then you deduct from 15.110. Then you deduct 3.415. Then you get 5 from 10 is 5. 1 from 9 is 8. 4 from 0. 4 from 10 is 6. Then 3 from 4 is 1 and 1. 11.685. Then you get here 1.5. Then in the next one 11.685 divided by 1.5. Okay. divided by 1.5. Now you divide 11.685 by 1.5. Okay. Yeah, again 7.79. 7.79. This is equal to what? 7.79. That will be the value upper bound of x. Upper bound of x will be 7.79. Okay. Right, 7.79. That is done. Okay. See you. Have a nice time. See you in a different video. Have a nice time. Until that, see you. Goodbye to you.